So another important thing to remember is it's vital to remove the backdoor. Once you put a backdoor on a system, anyone can use that backdoor to compromise the system. Of course, there are some methods to prevent unintended usages of a backdoor, but still, you have to remove the backdoor when you finish with it. There are 2 + 1 steps to remove the backdoor we put in the previous lecture. Now, in the first step, we're going to remove the backdoor within the interpreter session. Now, as you know, there are different file system commands in Meterpreter that you can use on the remote host, and one of them is rm, which is used to remove the specified file. Now, the rm commands need the full file name, so let's roll up to find the installed file path and the name. Here are the messages of the persistence command, and here is the file and the full path. So, as you imagine, the path is different from the previous lecture because this is another backdoor that I created off the record. So, no matter what, just find the backdoor file and its location. Now, let me find the file in the victim machine. Documents and Settings, administrator.cl2, local settings, temp. This is the file. So I'll copy the full file path and give it the parameter of the rm command. Now don't forget to duplicate the backslashes. As I mentioned before, the first backslash is the indicator of a special character, and the second one is that special character. Now it says that the access is denied, so maybe I don't have the necessary rights. So I'll want to use getSystem interpreter command to gain the system privileges. So I got the system. Now try to delete the file again. My mistake, I put the path, but didn't put the file name. So now I copy the file name and paste it at the end of the path. Okay, the file is now deleted. So the first step is pretty much enough to destroy the backdoor, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry, so let's just clean the system. So I'd like to delete the registry key that is created by the persistence method. Again, roll up to find the created registry key. Here, I'll copy the full path and name. So we're going to use the reg command to delete the registry key. When we type reg and hit enter, we reach the help page of the command. Well, I made millions of unsuccessful attempts. I don't want to delete these attempts just to show you that you shouldn't give up easily to succeed. Okay, so here's the correct reg command to delete a key is reg delete eval k, the full path of the key, v, the name of the key. I think we finally deleted the registry key. So let's go to the victim system and just check to make sure it's deleted. Refresh the registry editor, and yeah, the key has gone. So the next step is not related to the victim machine. I just wanted to clean up my own system, Kali. So when I run the persistence method, a folder is created to keep the logs of that persistent session. So let's delete the folder for perfect cleaning. I'll now open a new terminal screen. I'm in the home folder of the current user, root, ls-al to see all the files and folders, including the hidden ones. Now there's a folder named .msf4. Use the cd command to go inside that folder. Now go to the logs folder. There's a folder called persistence in it. Go to that folder as well. As you see, there's a folder here. The first part of the folder is the domain name of our victim machine, and the rest is the date and time of the first usage of the persistence method. So here you can use the rm command with rf as the parameter to delete any non-empty folder. And that's it.